Hello, my name is Audrey Williams of Audrey Williams Flowers to Interiors, and welcome to my YouTube channel, and welcome to the Country Living series, where today we're going to go to a car boot that's in the middle of a field.
Oh yeah, thank you. Thank you.
So this is the entrance to the car boot, and today I'm looking for things for the garden. Pots, plants, anything like that. So let's go. Oh, look at these buckets. Shaped one. See where you... It's a very nice still. I love that basket as well.
You're not on. You're not on.
I'm not on.
Yeah.
I've got a YouTube channel called Benefits of Basic Gardening.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Come back and get that actually. Yes, very good, excellent. Gorgeous. That's like what I've got in my... You put documents in them. Look at that. I love them. And that bench, lovely. I love this bench. Look at it. It's nice for the garden.
It folds down.
Wow.
Sorry, how much is your bench?
That is lovely. How much is this pail? That's a lovely one. That would grow strawberries in. Oh, here's a chap that had the pots last time. $22.50 per tray, but I want these big ones. I like these big ones. And this medium-sized ones? Yeah. Very lovely as well. I think I'll get one that's not cracked. So that one. I really want bigger pots, but these are lovely. So you just... Beautiful. Some lovely wooden boxes here.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That's musical, that one. Lovely few bits here. I like that watering can. That's lovely. Cute little bench. people are packing up already. This must be a bread bin. There's some lovely plants here. I think I'll definitely have to get some of these. Got your obligatory ice cream though. And a really lovely fruit and vegetable as well. Don't need anything from there today though. We've even got bouncy castles here and everything. So we've had a good look round and I think we're gonna go now. Got a few bits that I'll show you when I get back. So it's the next day now, so I thought I'd show you what I got at the car boot yesterday. So one of the first things I bought is the coal bucket, the one on the right. I already had the one on the left, and that's just for decorative purposes, and I just kind of put any thing that I want to decorate the garden with, and yeah, that kind of gives you the full look of it. And to stop the wind from blowing it over, this one's got sand in on the left, but the one on the right, I put some rocks in and stop it from blowing over. Oh, and this is one of the terracotta pots that I bought. I need to get some more. I do love terracotta pots, but I don't like them when they're quite new. I like them when they're more like weathered and worn. So I definitely want to get some more terracotta pots. And this one I planted my tomato plant, which is doing very well. These are the other terracotta pots that I got. I love them when they're aged. They just think they're so beautiful, and I think I might be putting some tomatoes in them, but yeah, love them. We also got this large basket for bringing logs into the house, and it's a nice good sturdy one as well. Plants wise, I also picked up these little beauties. I lost two over the winter because I didn't wrap them up. They normally go through winter quite happily, but this year, and I don't need to wrap them up, but this year I learnt my lesson that if the snow stays on them, they will die, and I won't be doing that again. So every winter I'm going to be wrapping them up with bubble wrap. I got my advice on that. So yes, plants wise, this is what I bought. And I also bought, let's quickly go over here, I bought some lupins. That's what they look like when they're grown. I bought 3, but I actually think I need another 3, so I need to go back and get that next week, because the plant guy says he comes there every week, and so that can fill in the space. So I often try going to the car boot to pick up things for the garden, and yes, had a nice little haul today. Really pleased with what I bought. Oh, now the birds are all joining in. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. It will let you know when the next video comes up, and I really look forward to seeing you in the next video.